Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Abro Arif. Today I am going to talk about three very important and beautiful points that I have got from the book The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. It is one of the best seller books and it is known as the most spiritual books. The Power of Now. This book essentially speaks about the importance of believing in present moment. The first important thing that I have read from that book and understood, life is just a series of present moment, and there are 2 days of life where you cannot do anything, that is yesterday and tomorrow. If you just realize that most of the time we are regretting about the past, or we are too much worried about the future, or we are too much excited about the future, we forget to live in this present moment. It is very important to know what you are doing right now. How do you feel? Do you enjoy this present moment? If you are feeling the pain, just be aware of that pain. Just try to start watching your mind as a second person. What you are doing, what you are thinking, just be in that moment. When you realize that, okay, I am thinking about the past, or I am regretting about the past, don't judge your mind and don't feel bad about it. Just stop that thought and be in that moment. It is very important to live in present moment, to enjoy this present moment, so that tomorrow you are not going to regret about this today, that you had wasted thinking about the past. And most of the worries that we have in our mind is not going to really happen in the future. Why do we waste our time? It may happen or may not happen. Even if it happens, you cannot control over it. Then why should you worry today? The second most important point is, all pain is the resistance to the thing that you cannot change. Okay, if you have a pain, if you feel very much pain, that is because you are trying to change something which you cannot change. There are a lot of things which is beyond our control, which we cannot change. So leave the past, let it go. You just focus on this present moment, so that the present moment, when you take an important and profound step, going to reach a beautiful future. Don't try to resist things that you cannot control. What is in your control is your own thought process, your own thinking level. So be in that moment and enjoy this beautiful moment. And the third very important point is that you can free yourself from the pain by constantly observing your mind and not judging your thought. We keep judging ourselves, we keep judging others. So first thing, where you can change your thought process. So see, within one day you cannot bring this thought process of living in present moment, but you constantly have to come into an awareness. Leave the past and start living in the present moment. It is like you are walking in the garden and so many flowers around you and butterflies are flying there, but you are not enjoying the moment because you are worrying about the past and thinking about the future. Tomorrow maybe nothing happens as a problem in the future. Always have a beautiful present moment. Do have a focus something. Sometimes what happens is, when people read The Power of Now, they have misunderstood the book. It is just like okay, you don't have to do anything in life. You have to just live in the present moment. Life will happen as it is. No, you have to have a planning, you have to see a future, but still you have to be very much aware but about each and every day and each and every step that you take in your life. We don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. It's not in our have a plan of what is going to happen next, and just enjoy this moment. That's how you can make your life very much very beautiful, rather than sitting and regretting about the past. Some people what they do is, okay, I am not walking above the hill, will just stand here and look at the hill. And what happens is, later in your life you will say, I should have done something, I should have given a try. So always live your life to the fullest. Just stop regretting. You don't have to do everything that others are doing. Your life is your unique life, and just start loving from within. No external factors can define the love within you. Your partner is not going to love you unless and until you love yourself, and nothing external is going to affect you, because if you have self-love within you, so your destination is to reach the hill or somewhere else. Just be aware of each and every moment. You feel happy about, let go of the anxiety, and just know where you are going, and all that matters is this beautiful moment, and just happy and grateful in this moment, that your future is going to be really amazing if the clarity and the quality of this present moment is really beautiful. Be focused on what you are doing right now. If you do right thing now, your future is going to really amazing. So have a wonderful present moment. A series